Hi everybody, Miss Katie here for Mad Science Club, and today we're going to create invisible ink and then it will show us a secret message when we're finished. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of our supplies. So first we're going to need some baking soda, we're going to need a 1/4 measuring cup, a paintbrush, and then I grabbed just like a paper towel so that we can wipe off later. Piece of paper, you can have multiple depending on how many secret messages you want to create. We're going to need some grapefruit juice and then some water and cups. Okay, so let's get started on our experiment. So first we want to take our cup and we want to put 1/4 baking soda into that cup. So I'm just going to pour it in. Okay, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of water as well. And then it can get chunky because of the baking soda, so really make sure you mix it. I'm just using my paintbrush, so I use less materials. So really want to mix it, make sure it's not clumpy at all, because if it's clumpy, then your message won't really look like a secret. Okay. Wipe that off. Okay, so now I'm going to use my mixture and I'm going to create my secret message. So I'm going to use my paintbrush to do that. Your message can say whatever you want. It can be as long as you want. Okay, so I wrote mine, and now we're gonna wait a couple minutes because we want to let it dry. But while we're waiting for it to dry, let's discuss bases and acids. So acids and bases are two different kinds of chemicals. Whether a liquid is an acid or base depends on the hydrogen ions. Acid and bases are opposites, which cause a chemical reaction. So we used our baking soda to create our invisible ink. So if we did that and baking soda is a base, what will we need to create our chemical reaction to reveal the ink? Well, we would need an acid, and that's going to be our grapefruit juice today. It's acidic, so when we combine the base and the acid, it should reveal our hidden message. Okay, so it looks like our picture is dry. It took a little bit of time, so don't be alarmed if you're like, oh, it needs to dry, we need to wait it out a minute. It does take a little bit of time. You can always use a fan. It's nice and warm out still, so you could set it outside. But we're now ready to reveal our secret message. So I'm going to take our grape juice and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to use my paintbrush and I'm going to start to paint over my message. And again, this is where the acid and the base are coming together. You can already see it says we. So if I keep going, a little bit more. Okay, I can see my message now. So it says, we miss you. So hopefully, eventually we'll see you guys in person for some programs, but right now we'll be still doing our videos. We hope to see you guys soon.